Okay, so I made a video a while ago, whenever I made a video of this Udio. Well, I seem almost like I'm trying to chase a trend or whatever that stuff with AI. I guarantee you that's not the case, because even though I'm interested in AI stuff, I'm not really doing AI because somehow every single AI that comes out there is interesting to me. It is not. But these two are about music, and that is definitely an interest to me. And in my opinion, I'm not convinced yet that Udio has the marbles to take on Suno yet, at least till now. But we're gonna do a very fair video right now. We're gonna compare them head to head. I made some horrendous lyrics here from another AI really quick. These will be the lyrics for both Udio right here that you'll see. Let me get rid of this one. As you see, these are the lyrics that I pasted here, and this is the song style: electro house, trance, Euro house. This is it for this one, and I'm gonna hit create. Udio, I noticed, takes a minute to do this, so we're gonna wait for it. And now we have the other side, Suno AI. As you see, it's exactly the same lyrics right here, and it's exactly the same music style. Both are in custom mode, and I'm going to hit create just like that, and let's see what each of them can do with this generation. So both will generate 2 samples each. As you see, now Suno is already generating. We're waiting for Udio. I like what Udio is doing so far, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. I'm still not very convinced with what it generates in comparison to Suno, but I might be completely wrong. I might be 100% wrong. As you see, both of them have finished generating, and we are gonna hear version 1 versus version 1, version 2 versus version 2 on both of them. And this time I'm gonna let the songs play a little bit longer than last time I did, just so we can hear clearly what we are dealing with. So let's go with Udio with the same lyrics as we said in song style, version 1. Oh, so that was it. Okay, well, that was not bad. I gotta say, it didn't sound that bad at all. Now, let's check the version 1 from Suno now. As we said, same lyrics and same exact music style prompt. Let's go with the Suno version 1.
In the quiet of the night, under the pale moonlight, I penned down words, a melody took flight, a tale of love so pure and so bright, but the verses trailed off, lost in the twilight. It's an unfinished love song hanging in the air, a symphony of might. Happens, a half-hearted affair. The chorus echoes with what we dare to dream, but the bridge to forever now a silent stream.
Well, right off the bat, I can tell you, I like the style that Suno did right there. Just the opening alone sounded like a real music track, and it's actually longer, not 30 seconds, but straight up 2 minutes. Boom, just like that. Now, let's go to the second version of Udio, of that same song and all that stuff. Then after that, we will go at the second version of Suno. Let's hit second version from Udio.
Of the night, under the pale moonlight, a ballad of whispers that the wind still sends.
definitely no. No, I don't know what to say. It's just does not compare. Let me get the second version now from Suno and see what it did, but definitely this one is something that I would strike down. It just doesn't fit at all. Let's go with Suno's second version.
In the quiet of the night, under the pale moonlight, I penned down words, a melody took flight. A tale of love, so pure and so bright. The verses trailed off, lost in the twilight. It's an unfinished love song hanging in the air, a symphony of might. Half-beats a half-hearted affair. The chorus echoes with what we dared to dream. It could bridge to forever, now a silent stream. The chords were tender, the rhythm was slow, the harmony of hearts in a soft, gentle glow. But the ink ran dry, and the music ceased to flow, leaving behind the canvas.
Yeah, there's no comparison with these two. Seriously, there's no comparison because Suno makes it just way better. At least in this custom mode, it wins. And that is the only mode that I'm interested in both of them. As you see, just to show you again, the same music style, the same exact lyrics in custom mode, and just they're not, and just they're not the same. No. So for all of you that kind of made a decision to say that Udio is better, it is not. Now, do I think Udio has the potential to match and exceed Suno soon? Based on what I've seen, it does pretty good with the vocals. I noticed that part. It does a good job with vocals, but it is far away from catching up with Suno or exceeding Suno. In my opinion, Suno just right off the gate makes you an entire complete song with everything on it. And to me, that's how a song works. It has to have all the components and the whole artistry is on it with Suno. And with that said, I hope this video didn't bore you too much, and I know it sounds redundant that I'm making almost the same video, but the last time I did both these two head to head, I didn't exactly put them head to head in this way to use the same exact lyrics and all that. This time I decided to do it, and you heard yourself. Suno is definitely in the better side of it for now, even though, yes, I have to give them credit. They did a good job with the vocals on Udio, and yes, Udio is in beta, and it just came out, so yeah, I have to kind of give him that leniency for now. But for the moment, yeah, Suno wins in my opinion. And for real this time, I'm out. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!